Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today what we'll discuss is that how we can choose how to trade in how to choose a stock for long term as well as short term. So today so you have to understand that when you choose a stock for a short term, intraday, for weekly, monthly as well as for investment purpose. So how you have to understand and how we select the stocks for long-term benefit as well as for intraday. Okay, so today I'll tell you in this video. So welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, so let's get started with the video. First of all, I will tell you with intraday. As we know how we check the market, will it open positive, negative, or it will open flat. We understand with the help of looking at Nifty. Okay, SGX Nifty, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. Okay, these are some US and Singapore Nifty that we look in. For example, if the SGX Nifty is not performing, then there is chances that this market is going to affect. Okay, Dow Jones not performing, then there will be a chances that this market will give a little bit of unperformance, on it will not perform the way it has to perform. While in the same way Nasdaq and Dow Jones don't perform, then this two cannot perform. So this is the basic thing that I have told you, that how you have to check it in the morning every next day. So now you have to understand intraday, what you have to select in intraday. If you are choosing to trade intraday continuously, if you trade only intraday, so then what you have to do is you have to check it, which of the stocks are going high, which of the stocks are breaking low. Okay, if you analyze a day before that few stocks are trading high, okay, while few stocks are trading low. Suppose for example any stock you choose, suppose ITC or HDFC or on the verge of breaking the resistance. Okay, if they are breaking the resistance or breaking the high, just 10 or 20 points, just going to break the high. So what you have to understand is that you have to buy them. There is high chances that it will break high and it can go more higher. Okay, in the same way, if some of the stocks are on their intraday, one day low, monthly low or weekly low. Okay, so what you have to understand is that if they are on the verge of in the resistance way or the support way, if they are low, then what you have to do is you have to sell the stock. Okay, and buy once they break the close point, close point. So understand this. Okay, this is what we usually do. Okay, or first thing, and for the intraday one, and for example, if the trend is high, if the trend is moving up, then you go with the trend. If trend is moving down, go with the trend. Then only you will be able to make a good profit and exit in between. Okay, this is how you have to trade. Or you can check my other videos where I have explained you where to exit and where to get entry in the stock, so that you can make a good profit. Okay, and now I'll tell you for a weekly and monthly, or for a long-term traders who take it. Okay, for monthly I'll tell you, or weekly, that what you have to do is you have to select that what they are breaking, what are the support and resistance for every day. Okay, for example, previous day they have not broken a particular point or particular number, then if they are close to it, you have to be very careful, or even when they are going up or even when they are going down. So there is high chances that it can break high and low. Okay, and now for monthly, so what you have to do is you have to analyze the chart, whether the trend is up or whether the trend is down. This is what you have to understand. Or the stock is performing good or no, or the stock is performing better. Okay, for example, you have to check the volumes, you have to check the OIS. OIS is the open interest. Open interest is that FFIs and DIIs, that is foreign investment and domestic investment, how they are performing, how what stock they are buying, and how much quantity and what price they are buying. So this is what you have to understand, and then you have to go with the trend. Suppose you are taking for a monthly, so go, if you are going in a larger quantity for futures and options, then you should trade a stock which is volatile, or a stock which have high volumes. Okay, there's some of the stocks which have very high volume. ITC is there, Maruti is there, SBI is there. You can trade in these stocks if you are trading in a high volumes. Okay, and if now let's get into a investment purpose. Investment purpose, you have to think only of 3 points when you are in the investment purpose. You are investing stock for an investment purpose. First, how the company's debts, are the company's debt increasing or decreasing, what are their PE ratios, and who are owning the companies, who are the directors, or and for a particular period of time, how they are performing. So these few things, and intrinsic value also along with the price of the stock. If intrinsic value is low and the price of the stock is high, then you should wait for it till the price come down and match with the intrinsic value. Or if the intrinsic value is high and the price of stock is low, then you should definitely buy it. Okay, this is what you have to understand. And if the director and the governing body is good, then you can buy. If the debt is less, then you can buy. Or company is performing continuously good for a period of time. Or one more important thing, and you have to check the trend of the consumers. For example, consumer are more, before pandemic they were more into travels and entertainment things, so people were doing this. But now the thing have changed. Now the IT sectors, pharma sectors are more into in the upper trends. So if you, this for the video for today, I will come with the next video with different topics in option trading and investment purposes. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you want you get notification of my videos, please press the bell icon so that you get a notification of my videos. Thank you.